So this is euro dollar analysis for Friday the 28th of September. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices tested 118 here on a couple of occasions, weren't able to break above the 118 here towards the 130. What we did instead see was a breakdown from this 1771, pretty strong break of the 1728 and the 1710, brief pullback, failed to hold on to the 1710 here. We've seen the momentum follow through to the downside through 1660. We've had a brief rally, and we do seem poised for a test of that 1612. So far we've come within about 3 pips of that 1612 here on the euro dollar to the downside. So if we aren't able to find support at that 1612 for a move back up towards that 1660, but then looking for price head down towards that 1578, successful break from which then looking for a move down towards that 1554, and if there is sufficient volatility in the market to bring us beyond the 1554, the very next level of note is a move down towards this 115 here on the euro dollar. And conversely, to the upside again, if we did find that support at 1612, we're looking for a move up towards that 1660. I don't anticipate that 1710 coming to focus here on the 28th of September. Now, let's just have a look here at the daily chart of the euro dollar. Get scaling here correct. So on this daily chart of the euro dollar, we can see we have our lows, we've had higher lows. But this acceleration to the upside, we did appear to be forming a bit of a flag, slightly below this 118 here on the euro dollar. We've not seen the bull flag break to the upside. What we have instead seen is a great degree of sell side momentum come into the market, breaking beyond the 1728. Had a pretty volatile day in terms of they had some significance in terms of the open to close range of the candle. As we can see, fairly large. We did close near our very lows, pretty strong momentum indicator, and we've seen that follow through so far today here on the euro dollar to the downside. So if we do see this continued fall here in the euro dollar, the very next level of note here to the downside would possibly move down towards that 1530 from a daily chart point of view. Next move down to possibly that 1530 if we do find support and a potential bullish bounce. If we do fail there, however, may just see prices fall to our previous lows in around that 113 here on the euro dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.